Usually your health insurance pays the bill. A good attorney does not allow the defense to pay the bills because they basically are reducing the value of the case. Because the bills that are paid, that are not paid, as opposed to being paid by the insurance company's attorneys, can be lessened, can be made smaller. So the defense, if they had paid, they would take a larger credit. And your medical bills have to be reasonable. It's good when you have health insurance. There's all kinds of sources. There's a provision called medical payments on your own insurance policy that may be $5,000 or $10,000 that will pay the medical bills of anybody in the vehicle that was hurt. And don't feel that, hey, why should I be paying my own medical bills? They caused the accident. No, you paid for that insurance clause, that medical payments. That lessens the medical bills that have to be paid at the end and gives you a larger recovery. The amount of bills, just generating bills and bills, does not necessarily make the case bigger. They have to be reasonable. They have to be related to conditions caused by the accident. Future bills can be a problem too, because in Arizona, most cases have a 2-year statute of limitations, and you don't know really what's going to be 6 years after the case settles or a verdict comes by. Things develop. You try to cover everything in that settlement or that verdict, so if, God forbid, something does pop up, it's covered. Of course, their arguments are going to be strong that that will never occur. And I repeat, you will need that money in the future. The jury uses their own good common sense to know if a condition was overtreated, if it was legitimate, if it really is a bad injury, if it's going to need surgery. They take their best gut feelings and make a judgment.